In the beginning only I told that these natural resources are exhausted by the human activities. So we need to use it in the limit. Okay, the limit should be there. The amount, the requirement, how much we require, that only that much of resources we have to use, because these are the these resources will exhaust due to the human activities. The petroleum, coal, petroleum, and or the fossil fuels, they require the millions of years to become the fossil fuels. They require the huge amount of organisms, plants and the animals, and they need millions of years to get into the fossils. Okay, so on the use of these fossil fuels, they causes the air pollution. When we burn these fuels like petrol, diesel or the coal, they causes the air pollution. They directly release the carbon dioxide, a huge amount of carbon dioxide to the environment. Okay, so we need to use it in a controlled manner, in a controlled way. Next is it these excess amount of carbon dioxide that leads to the global warming. In the limit use of these fossil fuels, the only a little threat will be there for the global warming. Okay, small risk of the global warming will be we can see we have a small risk. Then their availability of longer period, there is no availability for the longer period of time. It is going to extinguish. Okay, exhausted due to our activities. Next, there are some methods has to be followed, that is given by the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, PCRA. Okay, in India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association advises people how to use the petrol and the diesel while driving. See, there are 4 points at last in the page number 61. There are 4 points are there. You see, drive at a constant and the moderate speed. Should not to decrease the speed or should not to increase the speed. At the moderate speed we need to drive our vehicles. Okay, next, switch off the engines at the traffic light and where you have to wait for somebody, and at that time you don't switch on your engine. Keep the engine off. Okay, and ensure the correct type of pressure. Next, ensure the regular maintenance of the vehicle. If the vehicle is not regularly maintained in a proper way, that vehicle also consumes the very much amount of fuels. So regulate the vehicles. You need to maintain the vehicles at the proper way. So these are 4 methods to be used, to be conducted during the driving to prevent the waste of fuels. Okay,